Hello guys, welcome in this channel. Today I will be in this video I will be talking about the best hosting plan and platform, covering their price, speed, feature and their other area which, which will help to make your decision personally. When talking about the top of the line web hosting platform, we don't need to look any further than Bluehost and Hostinger. However, a key difference between this and this Hostinger is more beginner friendly with their plan and the other website builder. So a website builder, while the Bluehost has a WordPress integration to host your website, which require a bit more technical knowledge, they both they both provide three hosting packages for the which are two same, that being shared web hosting and VPS hosting, and the other being cloud hosting for the Hostinger and dedicated hosting on the Bluehost. I also found the website best available deal for the both Hostinger and Bluehost, and the put them for description below in this video, giving you guys a sidewise discount and helping you get started with the whichever one you choose. Alright, so shared web hosting is the website opinion for the beginner, regardless of the platform you choose, since they are just cheaper. Than the reason for the low price is because shared web hosting is stored on the shared server, so resources are limited and provided. Lower the price regardless of the both platforms. The plans are started 3, but then Diverge and Hostinger says I am shopping at the 9 and Bluehost keeping going, and $14 for the most expensive plan and the three type, which is also something you should keep in mind. On average, Bluehost is more expensive than the Hostinger. If we just add their cheapest plan, Hostinger and Bluehost, one website at 10 GB of SSD with the 100 side and 100 GB of SSD, not to mention necessarily weekly backup and as well as a certificate and firewall to keep your site secure. Even Bluehost is most expensive choice. Struggling to come the close to that, you should also know that they both offer cheaper price if you opt for the long-term plans. For Bluehost shared web hosting, you could save 145 when you pick the plan for 3-year plans above the 12 months. One where is should be spending 323. If you end up not liking it, then refund please and include 30 days on all plans, exclusive demand registration fees. Hostinger is more flexible on them, however, as you can choose to pay monthly, annually, as well as 4 year longer. It's less than pay for over the course of the period. The refund policy, however, is more specific, or you want a refund such as domain name renewal or VPS license between. But when it comes to plan, all of the are able to within 30 days you can refund all of your money, but you can get on separate section of that server with the more dedicated resources. Then VPS hosting is a better choice. This is the best next step for those of you have to being with the shared hosting and want to scale up. This is where the decision gets less obvious because they both offer strong plans, but the price are discretely different. However, there are some possible extra fees with the hosting because of their bandwidth restriction. It ranges from 1 to 8 GB depending on the plan, but in this case that your site requires more bandwidth over the course of any given and month, you will have to pay that extra bit. Consider it like your phone data you can go with, but you still have to pay as opposed. At Bluehost meter bandwidth is flexible in case your site require more. It granted one of the GB is enough for the most website, but it is something worth keeping in mind. And throw another bit conversion into the mix, you should also consider the CPU, because the Bluehost use physical CPU that are from computer that physical component with your system, while hosting a use of VPS CPU and stored on the server CPU, generally better for dealing with the high traffic and performance. And CPU are better for the vCPU are better for, especially they are both efficient, but when it's come to the traffic side, the thing for CPUs depend on the strength of your CPU. vCPU depend. So it's a double-edged sword really. However, one interesting thing that is note that even though Bluehost uses the stronger CPU, it still have a low uptime that the Hostinger Aurora has 6 months and uptime and the stability side platform. And in this Hostinger has a maintained 100% 5 times, while Bluehost has now done is one. So in terms of features, I still give the edge Bluehost for the VPS hosting, but all of those features don't count within nothing. If you are your his site is down, so it's really a choice between reliability and the power. Then we have to two outliers in our plans. Cloud and dedicated hosting. Kicking things off with the cloud is a much better server readability, and because unlike the previous two, cloud hosting is set up to multiple points, so it's much better at dealing with the traffic spike and shares workload on the multiple servers. So if one is down or strained, it then transfer that to work another server to maintain